Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to our history lesson. We're going to be looking at the dinosaur called Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus is a big dinosaur. If you can see the body, it's quite massive, and it's got sharp spikes on the back of the dinosaur. We're going to look at some facts about the Stegosaurus, which you have this in your pack, but I will read it to you. We're looking at the speed. This one here, speed. So that's means how fast the dinosaur can walk. So it could trot at 15 to 20 kilometers per hour. When we say trot, it's like a little jog that they can do at 15 to 20 kilometers per hour. That's the speed that they can trot at. Food, it was a leaf eater. So leaf eaters, they're known as herbivores. They eat only plants. It ate soft leaves, ferns, and bushes. So that's the food that the Stegosaurus used to eat. It had a brain the size of a walnut. If you've eaten a walnut, it's a type of nut that you eat. That's how small the brain was. But they had a second brain at the back here, which would work the hind legs, which is this part, and the tail. So it would work the hind legs and the tail for it to move. That's the brain, the second brain was responsible for that. Blood vessels, the plates could flush red with blood, and they were used for cooling. So the blood vessels in the spikes here would cool them down. Okay, it used to rush in there and used to cool them down. Teeth, it had a long, narrow jaw and short teeth, which were no good for tough plants. So they couldn't eat tough plants. They used to eat soft leaves. That's why they say here they ate soft leaves, because they had very short teeth. Armor, it had broad plates. So this was the plates I was talking about on its back. And it had a strong tail with sharp spikes. So if you look at this picture, you can see the sharp spikes on the tail, and that would help them to protect themselves. It was used to protect themselves. So the tail could give a meat eater slash up to a meter long. So if any predator would come close to them, would want to eat try and harm the dinosaur, they used to use this tail and swing their tail to protect them. And it used to hit the predator right to move away up to 1 meter. And they had one row of plates. It looks like 2 rows of plates, one on this side and one on that side. So there are 2 rows of plates and not one. So those are the facts of a Stegosaurus. Now, going to do the next section of the Stegosaurus. Which is the Stegosaurus activity sheet. Now I'll explain this worksheet, what you're supposed to do. There's a picture of a Stegosaurus, as you can see here. It says, it's giving you a bit more facts about the Stegosaurus. So Stegosaurus was a plant eater with 2 rows of plates along its back. It was up to 30 feet long and had a toothless, horny beak. It lived about 156 to 145 million years ago during the late Jurassic period. So that's where when it used to live, okay, in the Jurassic period, millions of years ago. Now, your activity, what you're going to do here is you're going to follow the instructions on this sheet here, and you're going to tick it once you have completed each instruction. So it says put a check in each box after you follow the instructions. The first one, color each Stegosaurus the way you think it might have looked. So from the video, or if you can even look it up on the internet to see what color it was, the Stegosaurus, or what any color you think it could be, you're going to color the Stegosaurus. There are 2 Stegosaurus there, so you're going to color both of them. That's the first instruction you're going to follow. The second one says, draw a green plant near the big Stegosaurus mouth. So here's a big Stegosaurus. You're going to draw a nice green leafy plant here next to its mouth to show that it's trying to eat the plant. Third instruction, draw 4 fish in the lake at the right. So here's your lake here on your right hand side. This you're going to color blue, and you're going to draw your 4 fish inside the lake. Next instruction, draw 5 trees in the middle of the background. So this is your background here. You're going to draw 5 trees in the middle. So in the middle section here, you're going to draw nice 5 trees, and you're going to color it with your brown trunk and your green leaves. Draw another dinosaur in the background. So again in your background, so maybe nearby these plants here, you can draw another dinosaur. Like the small one here, you can draw one here. Draw 3 clouds and a rainbow in the sky. So you're going to draw your 3 clouds and a rainbow in the sky. Draw 7 brown rocks by the shore of the lake. So by the shore of the lake, you're going to draw some rocks here. And draw 6 green plants in the bottom left corner. So this is your bottom left corner. So you're going to draw 6 green plants at the bottom of there. So I'll give you an idea of the first one. So the first you're going to color. Second one, you're going to draw a green plant near the Stegosaurus mouth. So you can draw a nice plant here, like this, with your leaves. So it's going to eat the leaves. And you can color it. You're going to color it. Okay. Your fish. Just to give you an idea of what you're supposed to do. Very simple though. You're going to draw your fish in the lake, 4 of them. Okay. So you're going to draw another 2 here. And you can color your fish and your water. And then you just have to tick off every time you do the instruction. So that's the activity you're going to do for today. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Take care and be safe.